Please be seated. First history. January 8. Usod ng parties. Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Martin Candia Poder, Police, Sulu Province Gobierno, Singapore, Municipal Mayors and other local government officials, judges and court employees, the regular general of the Royal Police, Teacher General Benito Asang Sulu.
May isang kwan dyan, sir, hostel. Sabi niya, payag kasi para mabilis ang natin, construction natin, ay hibayin muna natin yung opisina mo. Payag naman si Judge. So, with that, we have to complete the construction October 29. Kasi gusto namin bumalik kayo para makita ninyo, sir, kung totoo. So yan ang ano natin, kaya kinausap namin si Congressman Samir, sabi ko kausapin mo na si Speaker, ibigay na yung hiningi mo. So binigyan tayo ni Speaker through the initiative of Congressman Samir ng 280 million. Wala pa dyan ang pag-landscape. Ano ka yung landscape? Actually 300 million ang singil. 300 million. Wala pa landscape, pero natawaran ng 280 million ng mga gamit, mga ano ba yan, computer, kukumpletuhin natin yan. Dapat hindi pipitsugin ang tausog. Kailangan number 1 tayo. So yan, ang gusto namin ipakita, sir, na ang judiciary is very, very crucial for the purpose of sustaining the peace. Masustain namin ang peace dito kung, sabi nga ni Chief Justice na sinabi ni Martin Luther King, there cannot be peace without justice. So, naniniwala ako ron. Maybe temporary peace thereon, but you can never sustain it without justice. Ito si Secretary Galvez, inimbitan niya ako. Sabi niya, Gob, alam mo, ano kaya ang magandang development bigay natin sa sunod? Ang sabi ko sa kanya, the best development is peace. You can build castles, palaces, bridges, roads. Without peace, they're nothing.